take this first?
I think it's the highest honor a songwriter or a composer can.
SB19 Pablo and Ben Paolo together in Sony Music Publishing Philippines launch, championing Filipino songwriting. Two of the biggest names in OPM songwriting, SB19 Pablo and Ben Paolo, are present in Sony Music Publishing Philippines launch.
So for Paolo and Pablo, from Mapa to Pagtingin, your songs are the soundtrack of every Filipino. How does it feel to have that level of relatability?
Who would like to take this first?
I think it's the highest honor a songwriter or a composer can really achieve. To like somewhat people tell you that your songs help them in some way. Pero yung relatability kasi, for me, I don't try to force it sa mga people. I just try to be honest with what I'm writing based on what I've experienced or maybe something that I've learned from someone through conversations. Ganun lang talaga siya. Pero I'm deeply honored para sa mga nagsasabi na yung kanta ko ay talaga nakatulong sa them.
Sa akin, ano siya, it will always be the biggest mystery of my life. How that happens. Kasi, it's that thing na pag trinay mo siyang gawin, like i-cheese, hindi siya mangyayari. Pero pag hindi mo siya trinay gawin, wala nang mangyayari. Minsan, mangyayari siya. Tapos, you can take credit for it. But at the same time, yun na, like what I said kanina, like, if let's say you're a songwriter that, like us, you write a lot of songs that have pain in it. That means you yourself will go through a lot of pain in your life. And sometimes it's not easy embracing that. But, yun na. I guess it's those moments when, halimbawa kanina nung papunta dito sa Grab, parang, sobrang yung si Kuya, pinost ko parang sobrang sobrang happy siya kasi yung sa anak niya, tsaka din sa kumpare niya, parang yung mga moments na yun, na makapagpabigay ka ng ligaya sa araw ng isang tao. It's more of that yung mga, kasi core memories yun, hindi lang sa mga tao, pero sa amin yun. And that's what keeps us going. Yung mga